Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about my new rack. I've got it all set up now, it's looking really good, and the studio has had a good old tidy up. As you can see here, I've got my Akai S950, I've got my S3200, my DAT machine, and I've got a couple of little bits down here, which is my BBE Sonic Maximizer. This is something that helps your mix to sound kind of bright, loud. You can adjust your low contour on it. This was actually recommended to me by Goldie back in the day. He was on the phone and he said to me, "You've got to get a BBE Sonic Maximizer." I said, okay. So I saw one, I got it. And yeah, I've used this in a couple of tunes and it's definitely beefed them up a bit. Also, the TRS-12, this is another cool piece of kit. So guys, Omniflop is great, yeah, but however, with Omniflop, you cannot use a modern PC. Now, I need to use a modern PC for streaming, etc. So I have to keep up to date. Now, one of the reasons why I've got an older PC is also for the SCSI capability and stuff like that. But you cannot use Omniflop on a Mac. You cannot use Omniflop on a USB drive. But with this interface, it allows you just to connect it to your computer via USB and use it's like a floppy disk controller that you connect via USB, and then you can connect your floppy drive via USB and archive Amiga. Now, Amiga cannot be usually read onto PC. Now, I'm not sure if you can read Amiga disks, but you can surely make disk images compatible with the Amiga emulators. So this is a very important piece of kit for me to get right now. And also it supports, and it boasts that it supports many different formats. So the plan is for me to get this and try it on my Akai S950 and my Akai S3200. The budgies are making real noise in the background right now. Regarding the live stream, folks, sorry I haven't been doing the live stream recently. I've had some stressful family issues that I've been trying to sort out. I can't really say much about it right now, but yeah, just to let you know, live and well, still here, still kicking. And yeah, we'll be getting back on it shortly. That's it for today's video. Take care, God bless, peace.